Alright, welcome back. If you're here, it's because you want to see how you can remove resources from a Terraform state, and I'll show you two ways. So as always, any important links or video timestamps with descriptions will be found inside this video's description. So that being said, feel free to check to skip ahead to where it makes sense for you, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, let's look at the testRG that we have over here. We see that we have three key vaults inside, so we expect to see the state file to reflect these three key vaults. Okay, so now we're at the state file that includes that deployment. So if we take a quick look at this, we'll see that we have a one key vault named Key Vault 01, Key Vault 02, Key Vault 03, matching with what we had inside testRG. So the first way you can delete a resource inside a state file is by going directly to the state file and selecting the resource in question. In this case, we're going to delete Key Vault 01 and just wipe it out. And if we hit save now, we'll see that inside the key vault, the resource group, we still have the key vault existing. It's just that we've removed the state from the Terraform plan. Alright, so that method is what I saw my coworker do, which is what prompted me to make this video. That is not a good way to actually delete resources inside your state file. First of all, your state file shouldn't be that easily accessible because anyone could just go inside and delete anything at any time and destroy everything inside your Terraform, so it should be locked. And second of all, it's just a messy way to find the resource that you need and delete it because these state files can become humongous depending on what you're deploying. Okay, so here we are about to start the second way, which is the preferred way to actually remove resources from your state. So as you can see, we have the three key vaults inside here, inside Terraform, right? So what we want to do here is type in Terraform state list. And this is going to go inside the state file and list the resources that we have managed with the state file. So as we can see, since we already deleted Key Vault 01, we don't see it inside the state file, but we saw inside the resource group it's still existing because we never actually applied anything to delete the Key Vault. It's just removed from the state file. Okay, so that being said, if you have trust issues, what we expect to see when we run Terraform plan is that it's going to request to actually deploy Key Vault 01 since we've manually removed it from the state file. And here we go. So let's go ahead and expand this a little bit. So if we scroll up, exactly as we said, it's prompting to add Key Vault 01 because we've removed it from the state file. But again, we already saw it inside testRG, still existing because we never ran the plan or the apply. Okay, so that being said, let's run the preferred way, which is actually using Terraform state RM and then the name of the resource as according to the state file. So in this case, we're going to remove the second key vault. It says it's successfully removed, and if we run the plan now, we should expect to see that it's only referencing Key Vault 03. Sure enough, we see that it is now requesting to add both Key Vault 01 and Key Vault 02. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and if you see anyone else manually deleting their resources from state file, please let them know to use this command because that's just bad practice. Okay, so if that's been helpful, feel free to check out my other videos. Hopefully there's something useful there. Otherwise, thank you for watching and take care.